Some cars don't simply return to the road, they return with purpose. Today on Mobix Auto, we're taking a closer look at what may be one of the most refined automotive reinterpretations of recent years. The 2026 Volvo P1800 Cyan. This is not a project built on nostalgia alone. It's a thoughtful reimagining of a classic 1960s design, rebuilt from the ground up with modern performance engineering, contemporary craftsmanship, and the unmistakable, calm confidence of Scandinavian design. Let's begin where every great car makes its first impression, the front dot at first glance. The P1800 Cyan feels familiar, yet undeniably modern. The iconic oval grille remains, paying tribute to the original silhouette, but now finished with a darker mesh and a bold, confident Volvo emblem at its center. The stance is wider and lower than before, giving the car a grounded, purposeful presence. The circular headlights are a highlight. Their classic shape is preserved, but inside, modern LED technology delivers sharp, precise illumination. It's a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. Below, the sculpted front bumper and carbon fiber splitter subtly hint at the performance. Focused beneath the surface, functional, restrained, and intentional. Moving to the side, the timeless proportions truly shine. The long hood, flowing roofline, and compact rear deck define the unmistakable P1800 silhouette. The bodywork is smooth and muscular, free from unnecessary lines or distractions. Large multi-spoke wheels fill the arches with authority, complemented by performance brakes that quietly reference motorsport roots. This is not a car designed to simply cruise. Its low ride height and clean form make it clear this is a driver's machine.ai. The design remains confident and composed. Slim horizontal LED taillights stretch across the rear, modern in execution, while respecting the original proportions. Branding is subtle, tasteful, and never overstated. Below, a performance-focused diffuser and quad exhaust outlets reinforce the car's serious intent without shouting for attention. Step inside, and the philosophy continues. The interior blends classic layout principles with modern Volvo technology. Sculpted leather seats offer both comfort and support, finished in warm tones that complement the exterior beautifully. The dashboard remains clean and horizontal, housing a digital instrument cluster and a seamlessly integrated screen. Carbon fiber accents, metal switchgear, and soft ambient lighting create a refined, performance-oriented environment, elegant without excess. This is a cabin designed for drivers who value craftsmanship, clarity, and connection. Under the hood, the P1800 Cyan is expected to feature a high-performance turbocharged engine developed with deep motorsport influence. While final specifications may vary, expectations include a lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive, performance-tuned suspension, and driver-focused transmission options. This car isn't chasing headline numbers, it's chasing balance engagement. And authenticity. Production is expected to be limited, with pricing reflecting its hand-built nature and exclusivity. This is not a mass-market vehicle. It's a collector-grade automobile for those who appreciate history refined through modern engineering. The 2026 Volvo P1800 Cyan proves that honoring the past doesn't mean copying it. It means understanding it and elevating it. Elegant, purposeful, unapologetically focused. This may well be one of the most beautifully executed modern classics of our time. Let us know your thoughts. Would you choose the P1800 Cyan over today's modern performance cars? And if you enjoy thoughtful automotive stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to Mobix Auto for more refined automotive content.